You may have already heard of a site called NextDoor.com, but how do you use NextDoor.com as an affiliate of Amazon? Well, one of the things that I noticed about NextDoor.com is they're always looking for problems to be solved. So whether it's a stolen car, maybe it's an animal that's missing, they're looking for things to solve problems. Now, I want to quickly mention that you can use the search next door right here, which has basically its own built-in SEO, to find out what people might be looking for. So let's just say I put in the terms car break-in. Let's go to posts. Right here, a day ago, I have some information on how they're stealing cars. I never posted here. I was in an accident Friday, blah, blah, blah. I was vandalized last night. My car was egged. So these are the kind of people that might want some sort of camera system or something that can be put in the car, something to alert them that somebody might be stealing their car. Now, I don't know the perfect product for that, but if you went to Amazon and you said like car camera, you might try to find something that's going to work for something like that. Now, that's not an area that I know very well, so this could be more or less car camera for while you're driving. But if you're, looking for the safety of people, think about things that might help them out that they're looking for to help prevent something like maybe a stolen car. Maybe somebody has an animal, let's say a dog, missing, and I'm sure you'll find stuff pop up. We'll go to posts. You're always going to find missing animals on here. Lost dog, lost cat found. What you might want to advertise is something related to that, which could be something like, let's just say tag dog collar. So you can track your animal. This could be something that you could actually sell. The idea of this. These are collars here, but something that they could actually track. So it's just something to think about. Again, you're just trying to solve problems, and something like nextdoor.com is the perfect site for that. So something to keep in mind, and then putting in keywords that you might be looking for, or for that matter, just go to the home page, and you can start seeing right away in the news feed what people might be already asking or looking for.